Hi, welcome to Outrageous English. Still learning English? Still stumbling across the odd word or two that confuses and confounds? Don't worry, that's why I'm here. Each video, I focus on one expression or word and discuss the true meaning, as well as the way it is applied in day-to-day life. So, sit back, cocksuckers, and learn outrageous English from a native. Today's word, prick. P-R-I-C-K. Prick. A word that always makes me smile. This one is really good fun. The etymology. As a verb, to prick is synonymous with to pierce. The origin is uncertain, as it seems to be very old indeed, and, in fact, is a word shared phonetically amongst many Germanic and Norse languages, though, of course, the spelling is different. Sorry, I can't give you a date here for first known usage, as, truthfully, nobody knows. As a noun, the first recorded usage dates back to the 15th century as a reference to a small pointed dagger or sword, and the first recorded usage of the word to describe the penis dates to the 1590s, when Shakespeare incorporated it into his plays. Indeed, the word became very popular during the Jacobean period, playwrights particularly fond of it. For the next 200 years, the word became common slang to describe a boyfriend. My prick's name is William, for example. This usage now sounds comical to us and is archaic. The modern usage of the word as an insult is pretty recent, actually, 1929 being the date given by every credible linguistic source I could verify. All right, let's go. Word types of prick. Verb, noun, adjective. As a verb, it is regular, so the infinitive form is to prick, the past tense form is pricked, the past participle is pricked, and finally, the progressive form is pricking. Usage 1. As a verb, to pierce or break the surface of something using something sharp. Example 1. The nurse pricked my finger with a needle to extract 10 milliliters of blood. Example 2. Prick the film lid of your ready meal several times before putting it into the microwave on full power for 5 minutes. So, something sharp, a pin, a thorn, a needle, etc., breaks the surface of another object. Usage 2. As a noun, a person, usually a man, we do not like. Example 1. Did you see that policeman beating up that kid? What a prick. Example 2. I used to like Neil until he stole money from me. I didn't expect him to be a prick. So, a person we do not like, usually because of their behavior or opinions. Usage 3. As a noun, vulgar slang for the penis. Example 1. My boyfriend has a lovely smooth prick. Example 2. I think my penis is too small. I'm considering getting a prick extension. So, the male sexual organ, plain and simple. But it is vulgar, so be careful when and where to use it. Usage 4. As an adjective with the suffix ish, I-S-H, ish, to form prickish, having the characteristics of a prick. Example 1. Your behavior last night was really prickish. Example 2. Have you seen the shape of that cactus? Looks quite prickish to me. So, any context where we can use prick as a noun, we can suggest the characteristics of the prick using the adjective prickish. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to this channel to make sure you don't miss a single video. Thanks.